Welcome back to the channel. And don't be alarmed, that was not a real goldfish swimming in the table. That's what we in the business like to call a special effect. But anyway, back to the video. Okay, so here's a two guys top tip. When you're setting up your cut, draw the size of the sheet that you're cutting it out of. And then once you have that drawn up, you move your pieces or you nest your pieces to the sheet, to the size that you want. You can see here, like, that's a 4x8 sheet, so that's 4 foot, that's 8 foot, 4 foot. And then once your pieces are on there, I also draw in a cut line so we can cut this sheet out or cut the cutout pieces out. And that way we know what the size of the leftover sheet is. And we have a digital record of it. So if we need to cut something else out, we can import those pieces into that sheet like this and use the leftover sheet to make subsequent cuts. It makes it really nice. We use all the material that we have in the shop, and it makes it so easy that if you want to make a second cut or on a different day, we already have the file and the size of the piece that we're going to add these cuts to. So there it is. We have the whole sheet that we get to cut out. So this is a sheet of 16 gauge and the machine's cutting it at 200 inches a minute, 78 volts on the torch I control at 45 amps. And we're not going to show the whole cut, but it cut a good portion of the sheet, about half of it, and it took an hour and a half to complete the entire cut. So this was a fun one. This is a piece of 16 gauge copper. We had this custom order from a friend of ours on Instagram. And the thing about copper is there's no settings for copper. So we had to do some experimenting and come up with the settings to cut this. And it cut really nice. Now we'd cut copper before, we just had never cut 16 gauge. So it was a little bit of a challenge, but it was something that we really enjoyed doing, and it came out really nice. So here's another example of setting up the sheet. of the piece that you're going to cut out of. This was a 4x4 piece, and we nested these hangers to cut these out. And because we had that digital copy and we knew where the other pieces had already been cut out, it's really easy for us to go back, add more pieces to the sheet. We know where the cutouts already were. And once we did that, then we just proceeded with cutting out another 7 of these hangers for a different customer. Works out really good. And now here's the machine going to work cutting those hangers. Now this is 10 gauge, so it cuts it at 129 inches a minute, 128 volts on the torch I control, and at 45 amps on the machine. And it does a really nice job. Super clean cuts with these standard cut consumables. And here's the machine going to work finishing up this cut. And as it's finishing this cut, we're going to finish this video. Thanks for watching, and we appreciate you being here and subscribing. We'll see you again soon.